How to fix printer not recognized by your computer. If you've sent a document to print only to find out your computer insists no printer is connected, it can be very frustrating. Whether your printer connects via USB cable or wireless Wi-Fi, connection glitches usually come down to stuck print queues, outdated drivers, or stopped system services. Let's fix them. So firstly, let's rule out basic hardware glitches and let Windows diagnose the connection automatically. Unplug your printer's USB cable or disconnect it from your Wi-Fi network. Turn off the printer, wait 10 seconds, and then turn it on. If you're on Wi-Fi, ensure both your printer and computer are connected to the exact same 2.4 or 5 GHz network. Then open up your system settings, like I have them now here. Navigate to System, then navigate to Troubleshoot, then click Other Troubleshooters, then find your printer here, and then run it. Okay, and just let Windows automatically detect port errors and apply quick fixes. And if even after your computer still refuses to recognize the printer, we can reset the Windows service that manages printer communications. So just open up your startup menu, open up services here. Okay, after this, scroll down and locate Print Spooler. It's all alphabetically sorted. Print Spooler, there you go, found it. Then you just right click it and then choose Restart here. If it's disabled for you for some reason, click Properties. Under Startup Type, choose either Automatic or Manual. Then you will be allowed to start it and you can restart it easily. Also guys, we can remove the device that is causing issues. So you can also just remove your printer from the list of connected devices and then add it back. So open up Bluetooth and devices, you choose devices, then you find your printer here, you expand it, choose remove, and then just pair it again like you did initially, and everything should work now. That is it. Try these out. Hopefully these fixes help you guys. Enjoy.